Buy sunglasses from China factories for customization and wholesale through easyline.com. You can easily connect with top-rated sunglass factories in China that specialize in customized and wholesale production. Whether you are a retailer, wholesaler, or brand owner, Easyline gives you direct access to premium manufacturers that combine quality, style, and flexibility. Why choose Easyline for sunglass wholesale direct factory access? Work directly with verified Chinese factories to ensure competitive prices and consistent quality. Customization freedom. Personalize your sunglasses with custom logos, colors, packaging, and materials to match your brand identity. Bulk wholesale orders. Enjoy discounted factory rates and flexible minimum order quantities, MOQs, for bulk purchases. Quality assurance. Every product passes through Easyline, factory verification, and quality inspection process. Fast global delivery. Benefit from Easyline. Smart logistics network that ensures quick delivery across countries. Customization options. Easyline supports full product customization, including custom frame and lens colors, personalized brand logo engraving or printing, unique packaging designs, tailored style variations for men, women, and unisex collections, ideal for businesses and brands. Easyline is perfect for retailers expanding their eyewear lineup, wholesalers importing bulk quantities for resale, new brands launching custom sunglasses under their own label. Easyline bridges the gap between global buyers and China factories, offering a one-stop platform for customized, wholesale sunglasses at unbeatable factory prices.